number 2, team captain Aloysia Martinez. Center number 1, Kyle Negrito. Middle blocker number 5, Sheena Torin. Another middle blocker number 6, Pence Panaga. Opposite hitter number 7, Michelle Gumabao. And outside pocket number 23, Chema Calanza. Starting middle number 11, Kaina Atienza. Head coach for Green Line is Sherwin Meneses. And now the starters for the Cherry Tigo Crossovers. Middle blocker number 2, team captain Abby Marano. Outside pocket number 1, Cez Robles. Middle blocker number 5, Aimee Hernandez. Opposite